Chitchat English.
What's your full name?
My name is Maria Garcia.
How do you spell that?
MaragRCA.
What's your date of birth?
March 15, 1995.
Where were you born?
I was born in Madrid.
What's your nationality?
I'm Spanish.
What's your address?
I live at 123 Main Street.
What's your zip code?
It's 10,001.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Do you have any children?
No, not yet.
What's your occupation?
I'm a teacher.
What's your email address?
It's maria@email.com.
How can I contact you?
You can call or text me.
May I come in?
Yes, please come in.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Of course, go ahead.
Do you mind if I open the window?
No, not at all.
Can I borrow this?
Sure, no problem.
Am I allowed to park here?
No, parking is not permitted.
You can't smoke here.
Oh, sorry. Where can I smoke?
You're not allowed to take pictures.
Sorry, I didn't know.
What's your dream?
I want to start my own business.
What are your goals?
I want to learn 3 languages.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Living abroad, hopefully.
What's stopping you?
Money, mostly.
You can do it.
Thanks for the encouragement.
What's your biggest goal?
To buy my own house.
How will you achieve that?
Saving money and working hard.
I believe in you.
That means a lot.
Never give up.
I won't, I promise.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
How old are you now?
I'm turning 30.
You don't look it.
That's sweet of you.
Make a wish.
Okay, got it.
Blow out the candles.
Here goes.
Did you make a wish?
Yes, but I can't tell.
This is for you.
You shouldn't have.
How old is your baby?
6 months old.
He's so cute.
Thank you.
Does he sleep through the night?
Not yet, still waking up.
Is this your first?
No, my second.
Do they get along?
Mostly, typical sibling stuff.
What's his name?
His name is Oliver.
Is he eating solid food yet?
Just started this week.
Kids grow up so fast.
Enjoy every moment.
What's your budget?
Around $1,200 per month.
What are you reading?
A mystery novel.
Is it good?
Really good. Can't put it down.
Who's the author?
Agatha Christie.
Oh, I love her books.
Have you read this one?
Not yet. Is it new?
No, it's a classic.
What's it about?
A murder on a train.
Where did you buy it?
At the bookstore downtown.
Can I borrow it when you're done?
Of course.
Thanks. I'll get you one too.
That'd be great.
Is it all right if I leave early?
Yes, that's fine.
You mustn't touch that.
Okay, I won't.
Feel free to help yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome to join us.
Thanks, I'd love to.
Please don't do that.
Sorry, I won't.
Which is better?
I think this one is better.
This is bigger than that.
Yes, much bigger.
It's more expensive.
But it's better quality.
This one is cheaper.
Yes, but not as good.
They're the same.
No, this one is different.
It's as good as the other one.
Really? They look different.
This is the best one.
Why do you think so?
That's the worst option.
I agree, let's not choose that.
It's similar to mine.
Yes, they're very similar.
These are totally different.
Yes, completely different.
Which do you prefer?
I prefer the red one.
This is much nicer.
I think so too.
I need to clean the house.
I'll help you, Dot.
The laundry needs doing.
I'll do it later, Dot. Take out the trash, please.
Okay, I'll do it now. Dot. Did you vacuum?
Not yet, I'll do it tomorrow, Dot. The bathroom needs cleaning.
I cleaned it yesterday. Dot. Water the plants, please.
I already did, Dot. Make your bed.
I will, I just woke up. Dot. The kitchen is a mess.
I'll clean it after lunch.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?